Lollipop. So I'm going to prepare a chicken lollipop. So, or they are also known as drums of heaven, and we got these lollipops already prepared. Now I've got what I bought. I bought some chicken wings, and they kept one to show. So first thing is I will cut it at this joint. So I can use the scissors also, this kitchen scissors, and then there's a second joint here between these two parts. So I'm going to cut there. So these two parts I'm going to keep, this I'm going to throw. You don't require that. Now I've got this this part. It has got two bones here. So we'll take out the one thin bone and the thick bone. We'll take out the thin bone and just press. Or you can cut it up also here. And with this sharp knife, just slide it across. Be careful of your fingers. And then turn it over. Throw this part. Now you got this thick bone. So what you do is you push it everything down to one side. Then you got a lollipop there. Now you take the second part and keep the bigger bone on the bottom, the bigger end, and from the top you start sliding it down. Now just push it down. And you got a lollipop here. So I can show you again with another one. So this small bone, so it is here. Just take this knife, cut it. So we got the bone here. keep it down. Turn it around. And now the other part, bone from the top, you start scraping it downwards. Hold it firmly. So you got this lollipop now. Now this is the big bone part. So this is easier. You just take it out from here. Use the knife also if you want, and then turn it. Yeah. So I've got these lollipops, and I will then marinate it with the little soy sauce, ginger garlic paste, and salt. And so I'll come back to it later on. The lollipops are done. There are about 30 of them. So I'm going to prepare a marinade and going to marinate this lollipop for about an hour. So I've got this ginger garlic paste. I've got about 12 cloves of ginger and one piece of 12 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. I made a paste of it. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons and 1 spoon of soy sauce. This is pepper. This is vinegar, 1 teaspoon, pepper 1 teaspoon, and that's salt and 1 spoon of red chilli paste. This is the non-spicy one. So I'm going to mix this in this and make a marinade. And then pour it onto this lollipops. Mix well and keep it for an hour. Now in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the batter to dip the lollipops and then deep fry them. So I've got for that 1 cup of corn flour, 1 cup of standard flour or maida, this is salt, 1 teaspoon, this is 3 tablespoons of oil, just standard vegetable oil or any oil you can use, cooking oil, one spoon of red chilli paste, one egg, mix it well, and if you want to add water, you can add water. The batter should be slightly thick. but pouring consistency. So you add little water. I've got this water from making ginger garlic paste, so I'll add in that. So see the consistency, thickish but pouring consistency. Now if you don't have red chili paste, you can use Kashmiri powder, and yeah, all depends on how much spiciness you want. So don't use too much of it, but it'll Kashmiri powder will give you the color, the reddish color. So use maybe a quarter to half teaspoon if it is, because they used seeds, with seeds they grind it, so it will be a bit spicy. So depending on your taste, you use that. Now I keep this aside, and once the lollipops are ready, so about maybe keep it aside for about half an hour or so, and then I will dip it in the lollipop, and in hot oil, in medium heat we will be deep frying them. I've heated the oil. Now this is the batter. I am going to dip these lollipops in the batter. Take out the excess one. Batter. In medium heat, you are going to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending. Just check before taking it out. When you are finished on one side, fry it on the other. Just turn it around and continue frying. We have the chicken lollipop or drums of heaven, and this is the Schezwan sauce. You can see my website for the recipe, how to make it. This just garnished it with lemon wedges, and I've covered. Is not required, but I've just for presentation I've dressed them with foil, aluminum foil on the tips, and I'm going to put some spring onion, chopped spring onion. That's it.